Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this A-SHA Dan Dan noodles. These were from Costco, and these type of noodles are actually quite tasty if you ever get them. You can get them at restaurants and stuff like that sometimes, so we'll see how well this one tastes. Let me show you guys this. Here's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And the ingredients are right there. Come on, focus. But it does have wheat, sesame, and soy. So, alright, let's open this up. So this is kind of interesting. It comes in a transparent packaging. Look at that. Alright, well, I'll cook it up and do a quick taste test. Okay, so here's the noodles. Let's do a quick taste test. They have a pretty, like they're pretty, they don't really get soggy, so. Okay, it's got a little bit of spice to it. Sort of like a sweet sesame spicy flavor to it. Noodle-wise, they're very soft and tender actually, but actually hold up pretty good. Definitely check it out, guys. Any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.